Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to show you a comment I received on one of my videos and I wanted to discuss it in more detail. So the comment is from Dolly1 and it says, I have been collecting precious metals for 15 years. I understand how you view silver for the first year. All I want to suggest is keep 5% of your stack with what you won't let go and keep 95% with what you can let go without batting an eyelid on a daily basis. Now, what I take from that comment is something I really need to take on board myself. And the problem is, a lot of my silver I would struggle to part with. And that is because I brought it mainly based on looks. Now, obviously, price is a massive factor on what I'm purchasing, but I quite often purchase silver because I like the look of it and it fits within my price point. Now, I would struggle to sell any of the silver you can see on display here today purely because I really like the look of it. I brought it because it's really nice looking pieces of silver. And if silver spot price shot up 10, 15, or even 20% tomorrow, I would struggle to part with this silver because it's almost become a bit of a collection. Now, I think what I need to start doing is I need to start buying more silver based solely on the price. And what I mean by that is more tubes of silver coins, more generic silver rounds, more bullion bars, things that are basically brought just because it's as close to spot as I can buy it. More of this kind of junk silver, they call it, circulated silver. Things like this, that if the spot price of silver did shoot up, I could sell, like the comment says, without batting an eyelid. And I think that's very important because although it's very important that you buy silver that you like, and that's what keeps silver stacking exciting, it's also very important to not lose focus of why you got into investing in precious metals in the first place, and that is to preserve your wealth, to move your fiat currency over to something that's actually going up in value instead of down in value, to secure your financial future, to potentially pass on to your children, your grandchildren, to help with your pension. And all of those things I've just listed are all to do with financial gains. Now, if you completely have a stack full of precious metals that you would struggle to part with, then it's very hard to look at silver as an investment because if the prices do shoot up, you won't want to sell all this stuff. You'll want to cling on to it. Now, I definitely think that my stack is more, I would say 50-50 at the moment. 50% of it is in tubes, or I brought it solely based on the price, and I wouldn't batter an eyelid if I had to sell it because I know I could buy it back in the future. And I would say the other 50% is more things that I brought based on looks, like some of these coins, which have a numismatic value as well. And I would actually struggle to part with this, even if silver shot up 30%, 20% overnight, because it took me a while to acquire these. I really like the look of them. And I feel like they're just kind of part of a collection and not just brought for making a quick bit of profit. So let me know your thoughts on that in the comment section below. If you had to divide your stack into a percentage base, how much of your stack would you be willing to sell in an instant if spot prices shot up overnight? And how much of your stack would you struggle to part with because you've almost become attached to it and you wouldn't be able to just let it go that easy? So for me, like I said, it's around about 50-50. I think I do need to bring the percentage up a little bit higher. I would like to get to a stage where I've got 80% stack that I could just sell in an instant and 20% that I want to cling on to. I think that's kind of a nice ratio personally. I think for me personally, 95% is too high. I think if I aim for those sort of percentages, I would lose interest in buying silver because all my money would be going towards generic rounds and tubes and, like I said, monster boxes and things like that. And I think I would very quickly lose the excitement of buying pieces because I like the look of them. So that's what I make of that comment. Let me know if that's how you interpret that comment. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. As always, thanks very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.